Oh, it looks scary. Okay, hopefully that works out in the end. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hi guys, welcome to Emmarie Lane, where my goal is to find you the best beauty products for the best prices. And today, I am going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be perming my lashes, and I'm going to be testing out this kit that HottieDiaries.com was kind enough to send me. I have a link in the description box for this product and also a discount code for 50% off if it works out for me and you want to try it for yourself. I've never permed my lashes before, so this is going to be experience. Please forgive the kind of jacked up makeup. It's almost midnight, but I wanted to show you what my lashes look like when they have mascara on, and I've curled them at the beginning of the day. As soon as I curl them, they literally just like, they fall flat again. Like curling does nothing for more than 5 seconds, even if I use like a waterproof mascara, and so I'm really hoping this will work out for me. I'm wearing one of my favorite mascaras, the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior, and now that you've seen a nice close-up of my lashes with mascara on, I'm gonna go wash my face because, you know, you need a clean face to do this kind of thing. Okay, now that my face is all clean, let's dive into the kit. So it comes with a little card with all the instructions, and then this is what you get in the kit. Oh, plus these. Okay, so the first step is to get some plastic wrap, which I have right here. This came in the brow lamination kit, a toothpick, and Q-tip. I think these are the Q-tips. So this lash extension kit is supposed to last 6 to 8 weeks, and the formula is natural and irritant free, which is awesome. I didn't know you could have like natural lash perming kits, but you know. I'm gonna take the cleaning solution and make sure my eyelashes are really clean. It doesn't say that on the instructions, but I'm gonna be safe just so I don't mess this up. But I did clean my face really well beforehand. So I have watched a few videos on how to do this just so I'm not going in blind. Take some of these and figure out which size best fits my eyelids. So these are mediums. I feel like the medium's a little too big. Let's try small, put the rest back in big. It says to curl your lashes for better results. I think I'm gonna pass on that because my eyelash curler is kind of wonky and it like, I need a new one. Well, now I don't because I'm gonna, hopefully this works, but I've been meaning to get a new one because it like kind of bends my outer lashes like it like in a weird way and kind of makes them look like an L rather than like curving. So I'm afraid that would mess it up, so I'm gonna pass and just really work to make sure everything is sticking to the little molds. Okay, next I'm gonna use the lash lift glue to glue this to my lid. I don't know why that terrifies me so much, but it does. Everything's gonna be fine. I was like freaking out last time and everything turned out fine, so I shouldn't be freaking out this time. Okay. So at this point I ran into a little speed bump. The glue that came in my kit was faulty. I didn't know it at the time, and it can happen, but I definitely struggled a little bit. And I ended up using my own lash glue in the end. I did contact them and let them know that I did have a little bit of a problem with the glue that came in the kit. They sent me a new kit, and the glue that came in that kit ended up working just as well as my lash glue, so it all worked out in the end. Anyway, back to the instructions. So I used the glue to apply the mold. I made sure to let the glue get a little bit tacky before I applied it. Oh, it looks scary. Okay, so the next step is to use lash glue and their little Y-shaped brush to get all the lashes onto the pad. So I kind of figured out a system that worked really well to get the lashes onto the mold. I applied glue to a small section of the mold and then also applied glue to my lashes. Then I took the little Y-shaped tool that comes in the kit and I got the lashes up onto the mold. Then I took a spoolie and kind of like spread things out a little bit more and made sure like all the lashes were on the mold. Then I used the spoolie to hold the lashes on there for a second until the glue dried a little bit more. Then I took a little toothpick and kind of rearranged anything that was clumping up, and I just did that in little sections until I got all my lashes onto the mold. I feel like the lashes are separated as best as I'm going to be able to get them. Hopefully that works out in the end. Okay, next I'm going to take this #1 perm solution and a Q-tip and dip it in there and apply a little bit to the lashes. Then I'm going to grab some plastic wrap. Probably not that much, but you know, whatever. Apply it to the lashes and then wait 15 minutes. You know what? While I'm waiting for this one to do its thing, I might attach the pad and get everything glued down to the other eye. Guys, am I the only one where like 3/4 the way up their lashes they go from dark to light, and it's like even though they are longer they look short just because they're blonde on the edges? Does that happen to everyone, or is that just like a weird thing that only happens to like a few people? Obviously I'm not the only one in the world that has that issue, but Okay, so this eye is kind of a step ahead of this eye. I just want to make sure I wasn't going to run into any other problems off camera, so I could kind of figure things out and then just tell you what the solution was, but we were all good. I am going to take a cotton pad with some of the cleanser and remove the perm lotion from my lashes. And then I'm going to take step number 2, the fixation lotion. Grab the Q-tip. Oh, the stopper is in there. Stick the Q-tip in there and apply it to the lashes. Now putting the plastic wrap on and wait for another 15 minutes. Okay, now we're going to remove the cling wrap, wipe things off again, and take the nourishing treatment and one of the little cotton swab things and spread it all over. Then more cling wrap. But this time I only have to wait for 3 minutes. Okay, we are done with everything. Ooh. So I'm just gonna use a straight up my makeup remover just because there's so much glue on my eyes. And I'm just gonna let it sit here for a sec because there's a lot. Okay, I haven't looked at my lashes yet. I got them as cleaned off as best I could without using a mirror and without looking in the viewfinder. I'm looking straight into the lens right now because I wanted to get my real reaction on camera. Okay, 1, 2, 3. We messed up a little bit. Oh, just kidding. That was glue that was sticking to lash. I thought there was a lash literally so curled that it was touching my eyelid. Let me finish cleaning this off because there's definitely still some glue on there. I might go in with a microfiber towel or something and really get in there. But you know, we're looking good so far, and my battery's about to die. Perfect timing. I think we got basically all the glue off. I feel like I'm never gonna get all the glue off, but I'm really liking how things are looking. So like I said, my lashes get really light towards the ends. Now that they're curled, it's almost like they get light halfway. Here's some pictures that are really up close so you can really see, and now I'm going to put some mascara on to see the difference. That's what I'm most excited about. Okay, I don't know if you guys are ready for this. I had no freaking clue my lashes are this long. I mean, look at these before and after pictures. I mean, what the freak? Guys, for a minute, I didn't know if this would turn out, but it did. I went and showed my mom, and she's like, you look like you have Brooklyn and Bailey eyelashes. Which, if you don't know who they are, how, but if you don't know what I'm talking about, just look it up, Brooklyn and Bailey lashes. You'll know what big of a compliment that is. I'm obsessed. It's been exactly 1 month since I tried out this kit, and my lashes are holding up great. They have fallen a little bit, but I think it's because I use a lash serum every night, and so my lashes grow, and obviously if they're growing out, they're gonna look a little different. Overall, this kit is really amazing, and if you're interested in trying out, I do have a coupon code and also the product link in the description. I do get a small commission if you use my code to buy the product, but even though I get a small commission and the kit was sent to me for free, I did give my full honest opinion, and I do recommend this product. If you want to see me trying to perm my brows for the first time, you can click right here. I love you guys so much, and don't ever forget that you are enough. Bye! Mwah!